I said damage.
You didn't? Is that a bad word? Did you say a bad word?
No, I didn't.
You said it.
Huh?
I tried to clean up my mess.
You trying to clean up your mess and then what'd you say?
did not do it.
Hey, what'd you say?
I said damage.
You said damaged?
Yes.
No, he didn't. He didn't.
Yes.
He said what? Brayshawn, are you sure you didn't say a bad word?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He's lying so he won't get in trouble.
Are you sure? Don't use bad words.
He didn't.
What did he?
He said the D word.
He said the D word? Elijah said that he said the D word. Use what did he say to you?
I don't know.
You just told mommy what he said. What did he say? You were looking for your ponies and what happened?
I told Rashawn to get them. Rashawn said, I don't know where your damn pony is.
Brayshawn, did you say that?
He did.
I couldn't find her damn pony.
Okay, let's not use that word anymore, okay?
Yes.
Okay,
So
that
you did say it.
you said it?
Yes.
Okay, don't use that word no more.
Now that's a bad word. Okay?
That's a bad word.
Yes, that's
He thought he said
You
Okay.
understand?
You understand?
said damage.
So if she come here saying you say bad words again, what's gonna happen?
Alleged would say damage to my trunk.
No,
Get your butt whooped.
you gonna get a spanking.
Okay?
No more bad words.
Don't say damn. That's not no.
Appropriate. Go play. My son just told his sister they're in the room playing and they're looking for ponies, and my son said, "Who's three? I do not know where your damn ponies are." I don't know where he got that mess from. But then when I ask him, he gonna say I said damaged. I ain't say damn it. I said damage. Okay. Okay. We are about to go to IKEA to look at a few things that could go in our brand new apartment that we have here. Kind of excited. Need a couple things. For one, we need a TV stand, living room in our room, me and my wife's room. So that's what we're going to be doing. Anything you're going to be looking for particularly?
Nothing other than what you said already.
All right. So that's it. We're going to go upstairs now where all the action. Below 54 inches. So, boom.
below 4 inches.
You're probably taller than that. I'm Batman.
Those kids that are going to your room eat third grade.
This is IKEA. Boom. Here. I like this. Right here. Also, see here. Look at the lazy man.
I'm not Asian man. She is.
Playing with the dog.
By the way, that's me.
Are we here? Done here?
Dad, I was like, I think no.
Ice cream is not over here. These kids is begging.
Yeah, so we want some ice cream. Ooh.
if you say anything towards anything that they're gonna think that they can get, that's what they finna do. They finna bother you until
Gummy ice cream.
you come through and what you say.
Ice cream is better than orange. Ice cream is better
It's
than
crazy.
Oh, hey guys, we're at IKEA. Me and Engineer bugging and begging Dad to get us some ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, look at those brushes.
Yeah, okay.
Look.
I wouldn't want to brush my teeth with this. Oh, I'm just gonna be on my computer. Come on, guys. Hey, the thing that's funny is we're at IKEA, and I have a friend at school named IKEA. But if she's in her class, she doesn't want to be bothered right now, so. No! See?
What's that?
Right.
Or
Probably
trash
didn't see it well,
bags.
but whatever. Whatever. So,
Look, show.
she's trying to kill me.
Put those down.
See you guys. I'm at IKEA. Save me. Dad's begging us about some whooping sticks. Whooping sticks. See? So, they're wood, and he whoops us. What's whooping sticks?
But
Spoon
they
ones,
usually
mostly.
stir out bowls.
Basically. Because they're just wood utensils. Whatever.
Par'iz, let's make an ultimate cookie.
Ultimate cookie. Or like a candy cane scissors.
You know what? I want a steamer.
So if you steam us?
Candy canes. Scissors. Let's show them something interesting.
Oh, we have one of those. We have one of those. That's not interesting.
Yeah, pretty much not.
Looks pretty nice.
Can't get it.
Or a hammer.
Need a whisper. That's a tenderizer.
Tenderizer. It should. Arrows.
There's another
Hey, you
whooping
didn't-
stick.
No. Cake utensil.
Cake utensil.
But you also have this one. No. But act like he's going to kill the audience.
Come on.
The audience will run away and never see the videos again. They will kill the audience!
Just like me.
What are these things called?
Hello.
What are these
It's
things?
me, Par'iz. Back to you. See ya. Peace out.
Need a trash can
I'm gonna get it because we do need a
for our
trash can.
house to get rid of the trash.
But we also need two for recycling and trash.
I'm not buying 2 trash cans.
My wife is not buying 2 trash cans. I think recycling would be a good idea.
All you gotta do is just put it in the bag like I've been doing.
Just like grandma.
We have a winner! Somehow I always get caught with the stuff. Always carrying stuff. I don't know how that always happens. I'm always a carrier. And they always leave me behind. My family's ratchet. But I gotta try to catch them, and so they always leave me behind.
Always.
Yeah. You guys always leave me
Who's the
behind.
they?
My family. They, you, them.
No.
All of us.
I faster than you. Everyone, I faster than Daddy. Bye bye. And if you want to see if that's true, Tabitha or Asian can hold the car. We can race right now.
Where are we gonna race?
Outside, somewhere.
Yeah, that's not a good idea at all.
Blah, 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 blah. Ice.
Press stop.
Ice cream.
Press stop.
Aw.
So we're going over here to get what the kids really came for. All they want is ice cream.
Ankle.
Ice cream and things like that. Uh-oh, gotta go around here. So, we'll see. Come over here and get them some
Oh, look, they got cinnamon.
ice cream. There
Oh,
it is.
$1. Cinnamon bun, $1 too.
Sit down my daddy.
Ice cream.
So they're about to get spoiled.
I'm not spoiled. I'm spoiled when
Being spoiled will if you get a cinnamon bun and ice cream.
No, a cinnamon bun, ice cream, gummy bears,
Pop.
pizza, hot dogs.
Baby logic.
Not a baby.
Yeah.
5th grade.
Chicken wings, french fries, a hamburger,
You're gonna waste it all too.
ice cream,
You're wasteful.
chocolate
I'll
ice
eat
cream.
every get an ice cream and I have to beg and beg and beg Dad. My idea. Mine. Ice cream. See?
How do you like your ice cream, Elise? Say it's good? Hmm? You want a straw for what? You gotta look at the other one.
Friday, so wait. No, not Friday. Yeah, Wednesday.
The bread is nice and toasty for this hot dog.
Hey, Dad, are you gonna play basketball?
I am.
Don't.
Why is that?
Just asking. That's the way to go. No, it's not. You need my mom, that's the problem. What am I thinking for?
Why y'all got sticks?
I don't got a stick.
You got a stick in your hand.
What stick? Just kidding.
Y'all spit that ice cream up and just put it up. Look at these kids. Look how they eat their ice cream. They eat their ice cream with sticks. Asian ain't twirling around. There goes mama.
Mommy's on Facebook. Daddy got white hair on face.
Baby Lay's. What you gonna say, Lay's? Huh?
After this, I have to go to the bathroom.
You have to go to the bathroom after this?
Actually, I
Hey, girl.
These kids are a mess. They don't mean no on that. Ain't none of them said thank you or nothing.
What? We did say thank you.
When?
getting hot.
They ain't say that. It's on tour.
Thank you, Daddy. Even though I already said
Third time saying thank you. Thank you.
Daddy.
I got it on camera. We'll see. I think IKEA has got the whole buying experience right, because they make you literally walk through their whole store where you can't miss nothing. They really make you walk through the whole store. So you're forced to pick up something. You're forced to look at something before you leave. So I just shouts out to IKEA and their buying, making people buy. Their setup. So we're on our way out. You need me to grab it? I forgot. My wife had all the stuff. So there we go. Elijah. Come on, Elijah. Slowest kid in the world. I don't know what was wrong with you. You gotta speed up. Brayshawn. What do you gotta say, Brayshawn?
We went to. I'm what?
We had to get my son from his auntie's. He doesn't like to come over here. He doesn't stay that long as he used to because he's got his own room now. So he wants to be at home with us.
With the funky ones. How do you always
And they are
with my funky ones.
the Funky Bunch.
That's